Have you ever wished you could create a character that talks, moves, and represents you online? Maybe a digital version of yourself, all without ever showing your face on camera. Well, guess what? It's easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to animate your characters for free using AI tools for your faceless YouTube videos and social media content. So the first thing you need to do is to go to ChatGPT to create a prompt that we'll be using to create our animated character. The quality of the prompt you create is going to determine the outcome of the character you're going to get. So here is the prompt that I used to get mine, which you can actually copy and paste, okay, or just make little adjustments. Now the prompt reads, create a high quality pixel style 3D animation of a sophisticated caramel skinned woman with a feminine and elegant appearance. She is seated in a bright, well-lit podcast studio designed with luxurious decor. The walls feature modern wall lamps, and a large window allows natural light to pour into the room. She has a voluminous, coily long wave that flows beautifully. An oval-shaped face, expressive eyes, full lips. She is dressed in a chic lemon blazer paired with emerald green pants, projecting both professionalism and style. Her hands rest gracefully on a sleek luxury desk with a silver laptop positioned to the side. On the upper right wall, there is a stylish framed quote that reads, "Get going, it's never too late." The scene is vibrant, cinematic, and highly detailed, with soft lighting and a polished, what did I write again? Polished pixel 3D look. The ratio is 16:9. So because we're using it for YouTube video, you're going to be using 16:9. So if you're going to be using your own character for Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, please stick to ratio 9:16. Okay, whichever one that works for you. Now, when you're done, just click on generate and then the character will start generating. Okay, so as you can see, this is exactly what I gave ChatGPT to write for me. And the reason why this prompt is long is because it needs to be well detailed so that ChatGPT can give you exactly what you want. But if you just make a very short prompt, you may not really get your animated character very well. So as you can see, all that I wanted was what ChatGPT gave to us. The lemon blazer, the microphone, the wall arts, the inscription on the wall art as well, the lamp. Okay, so as soon as they're done, just download your video and then that's all you need to do. But then if you also need to use your own picture, your own real picture to create your own animated character, all you need to do is to import that picture. As soon as you import this picture that you want to use, just make sure the picture is is good enough for what you want to use it for. Okay, so you can put this prompt. I've imported my picture and this is the prompt that I want to use to create this character. Now it reads, create a pixel style 3D avatar created with an uploaded photo, okay, which is the photo of mine. Preserve the likeness, skin tone, face, shape, and hairstyle with the photo while adding smooth textures, expressive large eyes, and of course a polished animated look. So the character should have a natural smile, soft lighting, and vibrant colors, designed in the style of a pixel animated film. Make the avatar elegant, approachable, and full of charm. With cinematic shading and realistic hair details, the pixel style 3D avatar is dressed in a stylish blazer and posed at a podcast desk, looking confident, modern, and professional. Of course, the ratio should be 16:9. So you have to put in all these details to get what you want. You can see exactly what I gave ChatGPT is what it returned back to me. But then, as you're using your own picture, if there are some little changes that you want to make, such as, okay, you can see there are jewelries on my own, but you don't want jewelries on your own, it's fine. Ask ChatGPT to remove the jewelries and put in whatever you want. Comparing the two pictures together, you can see it's exactly the same thing, okay? So, as soon as you're done, you can just go ahead and, download this picture, okay? Then let's move over to the next one. So the next thing you need to do is to come to DIGEN AI. DIGEN AI is the software we'll be using, is the next AI we'll be using to animate our character. Okay, so after creating your prompt and getting your character, the next thing you need to do is to animate that character. So we'll be using DIGEN AI to do this. Okay, so you can easily download it on your phone, or you can as well do it on your web browser. So when you get to the when you get to this landing page, or when you get to this page on DIGEN AI, all you need to do is to come over to this side and then upload your picture. Click on this place to upload your picture that we created from ChatGPT. Okay, so as soon as you upload your picture, which is this particular picture that we've created from ChatGPT, if you can remember, so the next thing you need to do also is for you to come over to this side, or just, yes, come over to this side, and then check for the ratio. So adjust the ratio as well from here, if it's 16 by 9 or 9 by 16 or any other ratio that you want to use that is not what was there before. Okay, so that's what we need to do here. Please do not click on the crop that I was trying to click on. So as soon as you're done, please come over to this side as well, and then input this prompt, which is, please make his make this character to talk, and move. Okay, I think that's the, yeah, make this character to talk and make natural and smooth hand gestures. Exactly. So input this prompt as short as it is. Make this character to talk and make natural and smooth hand gestures. Okay, so this is exactly what you want to do here. And when you are done, you can as well come down here and just hit on generate. And when you look over here, you can see that on this timeline our video is already generating. Okay, so you're being given 20 credits to do this. Now what I want to advise you is, please make sure that your when you are doing it, you don't make multiple trials, so you don't exhaust your credits per day, because I'm all using free version to do this. Okay, so now our image has been created. Image has been created on ChatGPT and it's been animated here on DIGEN AI. Okay, so when you need to do, you can see there is download feature here. Just click on download and then you are good to go. That's all you need to do over here. Download your please download your video, and then that's all you need to do. Okay, so if you need to increase the speed, you can increase the speed by clicking there. If you don't want to increase the speed, please leave it at the normal space. Okay, now you can see I've done that. Now the next thing you need to do is for you to remove the watermark, and you can use watermark remover. Here I have already removed it, but all you just need to do is for you to import your video and then click on remove watermark. That's all you need to do here. Comparing the two videos together, you can see that the watermark has been removed already. Okay, the one on the left and the one on the right, you can see it's been removed already. So when you also done, you can just click here to download the 5 seconds preview. So at this point, please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm going to appreciate your effort a lot if you go ahead and hit on that subscribe button, share my videos so that other people who this video might be valuable to can just see it. Okay, now that we've removed our watermark, this is exactly what we are going to get. And now we are going to be going to the last AI tool that we're going to lip sync our video. Lip syncing means to help to make our animated character to start talking. So we're going to be going to Dreamface. Dreamface is the next AI tool we'll be using. Of course, they're also the last AI tool. Now, all of these AI tools are also available on your phone. So if you don't want to do it on your laptop, you can simply do it on your phone, which is quite easier. Okay, so when you go to Dreamface, just go straight to the avatar. Okay, click on the avatar and then come to this timeline. All you need to do here is to just click over here and then upload that animated video that we've created on DIGEN AI. Upload it to this place. Okay, so we can start lip syncing our video. We're going to put in the prompts. This is where you're going to now tell the animated character to say exactly what you want it to say. Okay, so now we've brought in this to our timeline here, and all we need to do is just allow it to, this takes a little while, not too much, because I'm using the free version. Okay, bring it over to this place, and then as you can see on this part, want avatar to say. So whatever it is I want the avatar to start saying, that's exactly what you're going to put in at this place. Okay, So, but then if you also want to just voice over to it, okay, or just bring in your own audio, just come over to this place and click on audio. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are not using audio. We are going to be putting a prompt, a text that we want the character, our animated character, to start saying. And here is a prompt that I use. Okay, so it reads, I hope you have learned something new today. Please let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this and when you are creating your own video. I'm rooting for you to succeed. Please subscribe. And as soon as they're done, okay, click over here to choose the voice that you want to use. If you don't want to use your own voice, click over here and click and choose the voice that you want to use. For the sake of this tutorial, we're using a female voice, okay? So I'm going to click on the female. If you want to use a male voice, go ahead and click on the male or child or rapid or neutral or a celebrity voice, okay? So when you click on this is what you're going to get.
We hope you have a wonderful day.
So I did so many multiple trials. Okay, I tried Nina, I tried Lisa, I tried Judy Baby, I tried Sarah, I tried all of them to just get a perfect voice that I want to use. Okay, I tried Alice and Sarah as well. So and have to just finally have to choose one. So anyone that is perfect for you, that is what you're going to be using. Remember, like I said, if you want to use your own voice that I used in this tutorial, okay, just go ahead and use your own voice without using an AI voice. It's also going to be good. So when you are done, just click on confirm, and that's all you need to do over here. Okay, so I just need to remind you as well that Dreamface AI has a free version, also has a paid version. On the free version, which is what I'm using to create this video, which is also what I've used to create multiple videos. Once you exhaust your credits on the free version, you may have to wait till I think 24 hours or something before they can give you another one. But if you use it wisely, okay, my dear, it's going to last you for long. Okay, so you're going to use it to create all the videos that you need. Okay, so once you are done, all you need to do as well is to not mind this place. Okay, so just hit on generate, which you've seen there, and that's all you need to do, and then wait for a few seconds or few minutes for your video to generate. Okay, now here is the results of our video creation from Dreamface.
I hope you have learned something new today. Please let me know in the comments section if you would be trying this and when you are creating your own video. I'm rooting for you to succeed. Please subscribe and share.
Take out this Dreamface watermark on your video. All you need to do is just to use watermark remover or use your favorite editing app to remove it. If you've watched to this point, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out in my next video. So now you've seen how easy it is to design and animate your own characters for faceless content.